Hello. A couple days ago, I took this trade on Bitcoin's hourly time frame, shorting the exact major high before it even happened. And today I'm going to show it to you how you can actually do this and how this is actually possible with the usage of simple mathematics that you can use. It's so easy that I don't even need to say anything more. And I'm not kidding with you. I actually took these kind of trades in a daily basis. So let's cover the basics now on why this works and how this works. So you know these things. Why the markets move? It's because people buy and sell them. But why people buy and sell them? That's where the most people get stuck of this information. We as humans, we move with their emotions. We move with our emotions. We take actions with our emotions. A research has been done on this, and they saw that most humans, when they're about to take an action, 90% of the time, they take action with their emotional state. So emotions play a big role in the actions of people. Let's write it down. People act with their emotions. But what are emotions? Emotions are nothing but a frequency, okay? So when you listen to a sad song, you become sad because it vibrates at that frequency. So it affects your emotions. So if emotions are affectable, that means humans are adapting their actions through what they see, what they hear, or what they receive. Okay? But what is frequency? Frequency is nothing different than pure mathematics. Okay? And just by observing these three things will just get you profitable in the markets, because I'm going to show to you how this works. Let's delete this and let's delete the calculation that I made. It's just simple calculation. There's more calculations that I did to predict that exact high, not obviously just one. All right. So I'm going to get my Fibonacci retracement tool, draw it from the high to the bottom with these coordinates in. So it's 618, which is the Fibonacci ratio. If you don't know what it is, you can just research it after the video ends. This ratio appears in every kind of things in this universe. So it's a universal code that's very important. So we map out these levels on our chart for us to see. So if you take a closer look, the exact high was made in between the Fibonacci ratio and the 1.5, in the 1.5 value of the Fibonacci retracement tool. So that's not it, obviously. So let's go back a bit. All right, I'm going to show you something. So as you can see, we have a swing like this. All right, so I'm going to just draw it out. We have a swing like this. And we have another swing like this that goes up, right? So we have two bottoms in here. So if you measure the distance between these two bottoms, you will get exactly 66 bars. So watch closely. I'm going to go ahead and go 66 bars ahead from the low again, okay? So I copied the first distance and applied it to the second. And what this gets us, this, after 66 bars, the market exactly created our major high, which is just one bar off, but it's all right. This just gives you, this just shows you where the market can turn. And as you can see, it exactly pinpoints the exact major high date. So this is a date. Yes, this is exactly 00, as you can see in here. So these are not all, but If you only have these two, this is just all right for you to take this short trade because the market is going to turn. It's just obviously what it did. But there are still more things that made me get into this trade. All right, just remember these. All right, keep this in mind. I'm just going to delete them because I don't want to mess up my graph. I just want it to be much simple as it is. So let's go ahead and take a look at the older swings. All right, market came up from here, it went down, went up, went down, went up. So these are the two swings. We analyzed this guy, but we did not analyze this guy. So let's put the Fibonacci retracement tool in here again, and you will see that it pinpoints the low again. And if we go up, you will see that it's 2.5 value exactly hit the measure high. So that's even enough for you to go short in the exact measure high, and this will just get you 10 hours in profit. I just closed this trade a couple hours ago. So this is possible. And as you can see in this graph, and only these three basic analysis that we did, this is possible. It's possible to predict the measure highs and lows. So another thing I want to show to you is another trade that I took on this pair, on this edit pair, which is a bank. I shorted the exact top, and why do you see these arrows in here? It's because this was a tournament that I joined on the trading view, on the leap thing. I joined the leap tournament. It was an ADX tournament, and I'm gonna probably win the most profitable trade award for this guy. It's because I exactly shorted the high and got out when the tournament ended. So this was the date when the tournament actually ended, and it made me around 11K in profit. And the first guy in the leaderboard had like $30,000 in profit. So I got that, like nearly 33% of his realized P&L in just one trade, which puts me in a very likely position to win the most profitable trade award, which is just a random speaker. It's just like $2,000 or something like that. I don't know. But this is the thing that I want to show you, and it's possible. I'm not going to show you how I did this calculation, but I just wanted to show you that this is possible. And I predicted the exact high. As you can see, I wait just for the market to make a new candle. It's because I don't want to go in aggressively. I want to have a confirmation that the price is rejecting. And you know, if the price actually rejected around here, I could have gone in like this. Like if this candle actually closed above in here, I could have gone short in there because I could just accept that as a rejection. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you want to talk to me one-on-one, you can check out the description. All right. Thank you guys, and have a good day.